It's in a blue Tacoma, California, white magnolia in your hair, rays of gold are shining on you. Ooh, if heaven is anywhere, it's in a never-ending on a golden road, always having your hand to hold. It's in a blue Tacoma, California. Ooh, if heaven is anywhere, that's right. Hey everyone, Blaze of Plays Guitar Lessons. Want to teach you how to play this awesome song that was requested. You've all probably heard it before. This is Blue Tacoma by Russell Dickerson. This is a great song. I've always loved it, so thanks for requesting it, because now I learned it. So, real quick, if you guys have any other requests you'd like for me to teach next, just let me know in the comments. I can't promise I'll always be able to do them, but I will do my best, okay? And so I'm a little bit backlogged right now, but I'll get to them as soon as I can. So also, thanks so much for subscribing to everyone who has, and for hitting like and commenting and stuff. I really do appreciate it. If you guys have not subscribed yet, I'd ask you to please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new videos. And also, if you like this video, just please hit like for me. I would love that. That's a good way for me to judge if you guys enjoy the videos and if you find them useful. So, all right, and also just let me know in the comments if you find it useful. Okay, so enough of that. Standing tuning, capo on the 2nd fret. I'll send you a link. I have a link in the description to where you can buy the capo that I use if you need a capo. This is, I think, the best one out there. My buddies think it is too. But so anyway, all right, so let's get into it. So the chords that you need for this song are very simple. You only need 4 throughout the whole song. Okay, you're going to use Cadd9. Okay, you're also going to use G. You're going to use E minor. All right, and D. If you don't know Cadd9, it's very easy because you're gonna have your ring finger down there. Okay, it's gonna be on the 3rd fret in relation to the capo. Everything's in relation to the capo. Okay, your 3rd fret. Your ring finger on the 3rd fret on the B string. Okay, and then you're gonna put your pointer finger, your middle finger, up on the 3rd fret on the A string, and then your pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string. Okay. Okay, so now that's how you play Cadd9. Now let's go into how you play this song. Okay, so the intro is Blue Tacoma, California. So it's Cadd9 G, E minor, D. Okay, that's the strumming pattern as well. So let's get into that. All right, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so you're just going to keep doing Cadd9 G, E minor, D throughout most of the song, and then you're going to do that strumming pattern. And there's a couple different ways you're going to do it, but I'm going to walk you through it once real slow. So it's down, and then you do a hesitation when you do the first down. So you do down, down, wait, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so that's how you play the strumming pattern for this song. All right, now for the intro part, you're going to play it softer though. I'd recommend basically playing the bottom 3 chords, or sorry, strings. So the G, B, and little E strings. Okay. For the intro part, and I'd play it a little bit softer. Okay, you're gonna go Blue Tacoma, California. You hear that? Rays of gold are shining on you. Okay, now for the verses, you're also gonna play it a little bit softer, but you want to play the chorus typically louder and the verses a little bit softer. So I'm just going to show you where the chords go real quick for the intro and the verse and the first chorus. After that, that's all you need to know because it's the same timing and everything. So you go Blue Tacoma. So blue is Cadd9. Blue Tacoma, California. So California is G. California. Then E minor, D. Rays is Cadd9. Rays of gold shining. Shining is G. Shining on you. E minor, D. Okay, then you're going to go Wheels rolling on an old Toyota, twist top on a sun-kissed soda. Okay, so that's how you're going to play that. Now I'm going to show you where exactly you do each one. So you go Cadd9 is wheels. That first drum should be on wheels. Wheels are rolling on an old is G, old Toyota, So you do E minor right before you say twist. Twist top on a sun. Sun-kissed is D. Sun-kissed soda. You're brown. So you do C9 right before you say brown or your. Brown hair in the west. The west is G. The west coast wind. If heaven. Okay, so if is E minor. If heaven is anywhere. Like halfway through anywhere, you're going to do D. Anywhere. So then you do C9 right before you say 90s hits. 90s hits at the top. Top is G. Top of our lungs. And E minor right before shuffle. Shuffle landing on. Right, D is on at the end of on. It's like between on and still. On still the one. Then you do C9 right before you do missing. Missing turns cause that's, okay, cause that's is G. That's a song. Heaven. So then you do E minor on if. If heaven is anywhere. Anywhere is D. Anywhere. It's in a Tacoma, California. White magnolia in your hair. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through that. I don't know the melody super well to the verses, so it's going to be a little bit hard for me to play it, but so it's going to be wheels are rolling on. Let's see. Wheels are rolling on an old Toyota. Twist top on a sun-kissed soda. Brown hair in the west coast wind. Heaven is anywhere. 90s hits at the top of our lungs. Shuffle land until still the one. Missing turns cause that's our song. If heaven is anywhere. So that's how I would probably do it, going out of the verse to the chorus, is just do it like one. If heaven is anywhere. It's in a, then you can do a mute. You don't have to, but you can. It's in a Tacoma, California. White magnolia in your hair. So you notice how the verse, the intro and the verse were much softer, and then in the chorus you go way louder. So that's what you're doing. Tacoma, California. White magnolia in your hair. Okay, just like that. So I'm going to show you where the chords go and the lyrics for the chorus. It's in a blue. Blue is C9. Blue Tacoma, California. California is G. California. White is E minor. White magnolia in your hair. In is D. In your hair. Raise is C9. Rays of gold is shining. Shine is G. Shining on you. Ooh is E minor. Ooh, if heaven is D. Heaven is anywhere. It's never is C9. Never running out of golden. Golden is G. Golden road. You do E minor right before always. Always having your hand. Hand is D. Hand to hold in the blue. Okay, blue is C9. Blue Tacoma, California, again G. California. Ooh. Same thing. E minor right before ooh. Ooh, if heaven is anywhere. Is anywhere is D. Anywhere. It's right here. So you do right here. You're gonna do C9. And you'll keep playing it through. So you'll just do C9, G, E minor, D. Okay, now you'll actually repeat it after the first chorus because he's going kind of in the background, like Blue Tacoma, California. E minor, just like the intro. Rays of gold are shining on you. Red sun down to the blacktop. Okay, you do the same thing, same strumming pattern and everything throughout the rest of the song. So the only other part that you really need to know that's different here is there's this part where there's like a solo. I'm not going to teach you how to play the solo right now, but in the solo, I'll just teach you how to play the chords on top of it. You'll just do C9, G, E minor, D. And you'll play that twice during the solo part. Typically you want to play the rhythm guitar louder during the part where there's a solo. You don't have to, but that's what I would do. And then when you go into that kind of like the chorus right after that, you'd be like, you go Blue Tacoma, California. So you could do it soft and palm mute it, or just really soft. Blue Tacoma, California. And I'm just doing downstrokes. White rays of gold are shining on you. If heaven is anywhere, it's in a Blue Tacoma, California. White magnolia in your hair. So you notice that? So You can do it palm muting, where you do put this part of your hand as close to that as you can, and hit the bass notes. Tacoma, California, rays of gold in your hair. If heaven is anywhere, it's in Tacoma, California. Okay, and that's it. So the rest of it, just listen to the song, and it'll help you play it. You'll play the chorus 2 more times, I think, maybe 3, but you can play it kind of as much as you want right there. So anyway, let me know if you guys have any other questions or anything. It's been a lot of fun, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.